Finding a dining table that does not completely swallow up a small apartment is a massive headache, but this sleek little black tulip table might just be the answer. It brings that classic mid-century modern vibe right into a tight kitchen corner or a cozy studio living room without making the space feel cluttered. At 31.5 inches across, it is compact, but it manages to offer just enough room for a couple of people to comfortably share a meal or work on a laptop. Now, the design is what really catches the eye first. That iconic pedestal base means there are no annoying table legs at the corners to bump your knees against, which is a huge plus when you are trying to squeeze chairs around it. The tabletop itself is a thickened wood with a smooth black finish, and honestly, it feels surprisingly nice to the touch. It has this matte look that resists fingerprints pretty well, though you will still want a coaster for sweaty glasses. Cleaning is a breeze too, as a quick wipe down with a damp cloth gets rid of coffee spills in seconds. But here is the thing you need to know about the build. The base is made of iron, which gives it a decent amount of ground stability. However, looking at the specs, it lists a maximum weight capacity of 23 pounds. That is pretty light for a table. In real-world use, it feels sturdy enough for plates, mugs, and a laptop, but this is definitely not a table you want to lean on heavily or use to support heavy boxes. There is a tiny bit of flex if you press down hard on the very edge, which is just the nature of single pedestal designs at this price point. Putting it together is thankfully painless. You can easily get it set up in about 15 minutes without needing a helper, and the instructions are actually clear for once. It is versatile enough to double as a casual workspace or a chic coffee spot in a sunny corner. If you need a heavy-duty family dining hub, this might not be it, but for small spaces, it is an incredibly stylish, budget-friendly option that looks much more expensive than it actually is.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.